What's up, y'all? So we have the LG quad wash, right? 3-rack, and I noticed, I'm like, there's an opening, which is the filter, right? So I take the filter out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. That's pretty nasty. So it even says here on here, clean filters. To maintain wash performance, use citrus acid powder to remove white residue on tub. We don't have citrus acid. We don't. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get this off with hot water in the sink. But don't forget, if you have an LG quad wash, direct drive with the 3 racks, 1, 2, and 3, or any LG dishwasher, make sure you clean that filter down there. Okay? Bye. If this helped, let me know. All right? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video, whenever the hell that is. All right? Peace.